going to study about the next new chapter, that is chapter number 4, that is linear equations in two variables. Okay. Now see, last year in 8th standard already you learned that linear equation in one variable. See there here one introduction part. Okay. See the linear equations in one variable. In that having what? The power 1 and using one variable. Any one variables, okay, that is a to z letters. Okay, so first of all, see here the examples. X is equal to 7. Here already given x is equal to 7. Okay, so this is the value for x. Okay, next one example, 3 plus x is equal to 10. Okay, 3 plus x is equal to 10. Then after here shifting, shift here left side is what? Positive 3. So shift that what? Right side means negative. Okay, that is called as what? Transposition method. Suppose here left side having positive symbol, then shift that right, that time what? Negative. Left side negative, then right side shift what? Positive. Left side multiplication, then shift that right side, that time divide. Left side division symbols are there, that time shift that right side what? Multiplication. See one by one example. Here 3 plus x is equal to 10. So therefore x is equal to 10. And here positive 3, shift that right side, that is what? Negative 3. Means x is equal to 10 minus 3, that is what? 7. Okay, so here x is equal to 7. Now see that one more example. 9x is equal to 72. 9 multiply x, that is what here? Multiplication. Okay, so 9 multiply x is equal to 72. Then x is equal to 72 upon 9. And then divide it. So x is equal to 9 8 the 72. So x is equal to 8. Okay. Next one. X upon 7 is equal to 8. Here divide. X divided 7. That is equal to 7. X is equal to 8. Now here divide 7. This side what? Multiplication. Okay. So the x is equal to 8 multiply 7. And x is equal to 56. 8 7 the 56. This way you have to find that what? Value of x. That is using that what? Linear equations in one variable. Now, the one more example for this same one variable. 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, this one you have to solve, that means value of x you find and then after represent on the number line. See how? 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, now here the minus 7. So shift that first right side. Means 4x is equal to what? Positive 7. And here the 4x, that is multiplication. So this side what? Divided. Means x is equal to 7 upon 4. So here x value is what? 7 upon 4. That is in the form of p upon q. That is fractions. Okay. So this one 7 upon 4 represent on the number line. See here the positive number. So only I have to draw here what? The positive number. That is 0 to this. Okay. So here denominator is what? 4. That is 0 to 1 having how many parts are there? 4 parts. So see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now here the number is what? 7. So first see that here 7. So count that numbers. 1, 2, that is 1 upon 7, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. 1 means what? 4 upon 4. 2 means 8 upon 4. 3 means 12 upon 4. Okay. So here 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4. Okay. So here 7 upon 4. This way you have to represent on the number lines. Understood all of you this introduction part and how to represent on the number line. Okay. Okay, now see that the next point, that is what? The linear equations in two variables. Okay, that is actual two variables. Now start the actual part. Okay, so see the linear equations in two variables, that is using that any two variables are there. Okay, using that what? X and y, a and b, okay, l and m, p and q, any two variables are used. Here also the linear equations means what? Both the variables having what? Power 1. Okay, so here see that example. X plus y is equal to 10. Using that here, how many variables? Two variables, and both are separated that what? Positive either negative symbols. Okay, so here x plus y is equal to 10. Now see the linear equations in two variables. I mean here see standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is called as what? Standard form. Another name is what? General form. Here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a and b, so here a is not equal to 0 and b also is not equal to 0. Okay. Now here a, b and c are real numbers. Real numbers. Okay. So here a is not equal to 0. Suppose here 0, a is equal to 0. Then a 0 multiplied, that is 0. So this term cancelled. Here only using that one variable. So it is not the using that two variables. Okay. So that's why here a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Okay. Now see one more example. X minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. Here also the two variables are used and the power is what? 1. Means x raised to 1 and y raised to 1. X raised to 1, y raised to 1. Okay. So x minus 2y is equal to 7. Next 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 8. Okay. That is, this is the what? Linear equations in two variables. Now see the different method is there. That time what? Using that this equation and then it convert into in general form, that is standard form. Okay. See 2x plus 7 upon 8 is equal to 1. Here 8 divide. This side shift that what? That is what? Multiplication. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 8y. Now here the positive 8y, shift that left side, means negative. Okay. So the 2x minus 8y then plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. This 2x minus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. That is the what? In general form. Okay. This is converted into what? The standard form. Okay. Now you have to write that what value of the a, b and c. So what is the value of a? A joined to what? Connected to the x variable. Okay. So a is equal to 2. That is positive 2. Next b is equal to 8. But here what? Which symbol is that? Negative. So b is equal to negative 8. And then c is equal to positive 7. Okay. So what is the value of a, b, c? A is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 8. C is equal to 7. This way you have to write the value of a, b and c. When you have to write first what? In standard form and then after the what?